Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of ITIL for Digital and IT Strategy in 60 seconds or less. 1. Adaptability. With ITIL DITS, you can turn the challenges of technological disruption into valuable opportunities. Greater flexibility and adaptability will make it easier to evolve your business over time. 2. A holistic approach. The insight offered by ITIL DITS will help you seamlessly integrate elements of digital and IT management with prominent business goals. 3. Perspective. Studying ITIL DITS helps IT staff and managers understand how their work relates to high-level strategy. 4. Effectiveness. This understanding helps shape IT management practices so they are far more targeted and effective in achieving business deliverables. And 5. Alignment. Understanding the relationship between digital and IT strategy and business goals will help keep your products and services aligned with the technological expectations of clients and the wider market. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're interested in free trials and free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Be sure to visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.